Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is my bird house, or bird feeder, sorry, restoration project. It was covered with moss and everything, and gosh, I can't even tell you how long I've had this thing, but what it hangs on, it goes down to the inside where the seed reservoir is, and my seed was germinating like little sunflowers and stuff like that, because the birds weren't emptying it fast enough. So I'm going to remodify that somehow. How, I don't know yet. But I took and pressure washed it. I'm going to take these little pieces out and polyurethane everything. And it's still in reasonably good shape. One problem I got, as you see here, and what I'm going to do is take a little piece of metal and go right along this strip here, and I'm going to change this rope out too, and I'm going to get it looking decent again. And I may add a few things. Sorry about all the gnats flying in front of it. It is Heck's front porch in North Carolina. It is hot. Been working outside and I changed shirts 3 times. I can't stand to be wet like that, but my shirts were wringing wet. And so this is my evening. This is kind of an evening project. When I'm at home, kind of after the sun starts setting and I'm on the porch relaxing, I'll have something like this going on. Just keep busy, because I don't really watch TV, as I've said before, but I'll keep showing you what I'm doing. Thank you so much for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless y'all.